Very excited about this month's release from Tarmac Works. A big thanks to Tarmac Works for sending this awesome release for review. All these, including many others, will be available at the Tarmac Works Webstore this Wednesday for members and Thursday for public. I'm extremely excited about the 1:1 oil can for the Hobby64, the pair of Nissan GT-R R32, which is the collaboration between Tarmac Works and Kyosho, and also the Hobby64 Evo Lancer 6, winner for the New Zealand Rally in '99, driven by Tommy McKinnon. As always, I'll split this into 3 bite-sized videos. And now let's take a closer look at the Hobby64 Nissan GT-R Nismo GT3 with the metal oil can packaging. The metal can is enclosed in an outer box with a very clean design, which is consistent with the livery of the casting. The details for the Nismo GT3, including a Tarmac for Good logo. Content includes a metal oil can and also the 164 model car. Wow, very exciting moment. I can't wait to see the oil can wrapped with a plastic. Wow, it's really impressive. 1:1 scale. Very nice to hold. This is definitely a collectible. And I'm going to place this oil can on my new work desk when it's complete. I will have a larger area for filming once it's complete. The design and the finishing is very impressive. The cap can be turned and opened, just like the real oil can. Lift the lid to reach for the casting. There's a layer of sponge that protect the casting. It's quite a thick layer. Casting holds very well inside the oil can, secured by the sponge. The sleeve also has a similar design to the actual livery on the casting, just like the oil can. The whole design is very consistent, a standard Hobby64 presentation case with a very interesting and unique packaging. Standard license info including Tarmac Works social media channel. A collector card is also included for all Hobby64, very nice number. This time the base is not in Tarmac finish, but very consistent with the overall presentation. Wow, killer details on the GT3. The details are top notch. I have no problem going extreme close up. In terms of detailing, Tarmac Works puts in a lot of effort. For a small scale in 1/64, the livery's alignment are very accurate. Small details are carefully crafted by Tarmac Works. Nice alignment for the rear wing, including the realistic rear. Interior has the roll cage and the front is very impressive and fierce. Looks even better out of the base, definitely stands out in die-cast photography, and it will look extremely well in a diorama because the casting looks very realistic. Wheel sets can't roll, which is expected from the model car. Definitely one of my favorite GT-R from Tarmac Works, including the winner packaging. Just be careful of the antenna as it's very fragile because it's in 1/64 scale. Overall, I'm very happy with the Hobby64 Nissan GT-R Nismo GT3. The casting is very clean with high quality intricate details, which you can see from the extreme close-up. The GT3 is definitely a collectible item, including the packaging, which will display very well on your desktop or inside your display case, together with your collectibles. Kudos to Tarmac Works for always thinking out of the box. Hence, do not miss out this item from their web store this Wednesday and Thursday. You can refer to the link in my comment section. Stay tuned for more Tarmac Works unboxing. And remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.